Hello guys, we learned some more SQL plus commands and in the previous lecture we have seen we learned about some of the SQL commands like connection, disconnection, post, command, clear screen, setting the underline values, heading and SQL prompt, all those things. But in today's lecture we are going to learn about some more commands which will be helpful for us to know and what are the uses of that we'll see in this lecture. So let me start. Let me connect to the database. To connect to the database, I have to type SQL plus and username, password I need to give, the connection string, instance name I have to give, and for the clear screen I have to type clear screen. Screen is clear, and let me tell you one command, that is SQL Terminator. If I type so SQL Terminator, it will show me that the semicolon is used to terminate a particular SQL statement. Like if I type select star from EMP, I need to type the semicolon. The semicolon is known as the SQL terminator. Whenever I put the semicolon, it will understand that this is the end line, and from there it will execute the query. You see, let me set the page size and line size. And if I use the slash command, it is used to execute the previous command which I have typed, like select star from EMP. You see, so slash is used to execute the previous command which you have run. So let me like we know that SQL terminator is semicolon is known as the SQL terminator. How can we change the symbol? To change the symbol, we need to type set SQL terminator as I want to consider the colon as a SQL terminator. So if I type this, and if I type the command show SQL terminator, it will show me now colon. And if I execute like select star from EMP, if I put semicolon, it will again allow me to input. You see, because it understand that as long as I will not put the semicolon, it will colon, it will allow me to write the text, write the query. So the moment I will press colon, it will understand that from there it will not consider the query. It will execute that query. Okay. So here the problem is that I have set here semicolon, and at the end I have written colon. That's why the command is not executed successfully. So if I type like select star from EMP, and if I type column, then only it will execute, because column is the SQL terminator right now. So this is the use of SQL terminator. And another I want to show you, like let me write a script, begin bms underscore output dot put underscore line. I want to display message that is hello world. Okay, so for that I have to write dbm. I have to use this dbms output, and let me close this. So you see, it shows me the output as a PLSQL procedure successfully completed, but it doesn't show me any output. The hello world message didn't came because the server output is off right now. What is that use? Let me write set server output, show server output. You see, right now it is off. To make it on, we have to write set server output on. So by using this command, we are telling to the like PLSQL engine to on the server, and the output which will be the whatever text to write in the dbms output package, it should display as the value. If I use the slash command, it shows me hello world as a output. Okay, so this is the use of server output. The server output we need to always check whenever we are executing a block or package or function, whatever, because it otherwise it will not display any value. Whenever we have used the dbms output package, and if the server output is off, then it will not display any message, but it will execute successfully if there is no comparison error. Okay, and the next command we'll see the list command. List command is used to see the last command which you have ran. Like if I type list, you see it shows me the block which you have ran So if I type like select star from emp colon, and if I type list, it will show me the last command, that is select star from emp. Okay, so list is used for that, and edit command is there to edit command. By the help of edit command, we can change the contents of the last command which I've written, and edit through the edit command we can create a file also. So edit command basically obtains a notepad file where we can change and we can create a file also. You see, if I type edit, it will show me the last command which I have ran, that is select star from emp, where I can change, like I want to specify some column name, emp number and e name, and I need to save this file, and I need to exit from this notepad. And if I press the slash uh, symbol, then it will show me the it will execute the value. Okay, this query. So next command I will show you. Like here you see in this heading, it is showing employee number, e name. So is there any way we can change the heading name, like emp number to emp id or e name to emp name, like this? So let's change. For that we need to type column, and we need to write the original name, that is emp number, and then we have to write heading, and we have to write whatever we want, like emp id. Okay, so if I do this, and whenever I'll use this plus symbol, you see right now it is showing emp id, but previously it was showing emp number. Okay, so if the column heading has been changed, so this is the way how can you change the column heading. And another command is there, help. If you type help then index, it will show you all the commands where there is some help, like for at the rate, copy, password, pause, all those things. So if I type help, and if I type at the rate, it will show me what is the use of at the rate. It shows that at the rate runs the SQLPLUS statement in the specified script. The script can be called from the local file system or a web server. So it will show you every all the command which has been listed here. It will give us the help details. It will show us some description how to use and what is the use of that, how can we use that. So all these things it will display. So if I type like help host, I want to know what is the use of host. You see, it executes an operating system command without leaving SQL plus. Enter the host without command to display an operating system prompt. So like I have already shown you what is the use of host. So these are all the things, some SQL plus commands, and still there is more SQL plus command also there. I will show you in the next lecture. But for this I hope you understood all the command which I told you, and thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thanks to all.